See, he be trying to get me locked up and shit. They ain't even recording me. What you gonna use this footage? He ain't never using this footage.
If you can get money, leave me long, long. Make it rain, make it storm, storm. Half a brick for the chomp, chomp. Flooded AP on my own.
Honestly, we gotta start treating this more like a job.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I hear people say don't treat it like a job, but honestly, the money we trying to make, it gotta be kind of structured like a job. You sign somebody up, it ain't gonna take more than 2 to 4 hours to really get them duplicated the right way.
Right.
If we do like, even if it's just one presentation a day, Monday through Thursday, or Monday, or all 7 days, if you know, don't take an hour out of the day, they choose that day. We got the home event culture. We need to have like a.
I think we need to press the issue on home event.
Yeah, we don't really do. We
don't really press them. I think that should be like something they need to do, like what we was doing the training.
Yeah.
Like, that's something they should be told, like, they first day.
People inboxing me, damn, I see you working. Damn, that's what's up, y'all moving.
Right.
Of course. Well, damn, y'all, this is a surprise to you? Shit, we gotta do more of this.
You can't just be suit and tie with it, or just, you know, motivational speaking, or just trying to give them too much content. It just gotta be straight to the nitty gritty. If we take the direct analogy of graduating from high school and apply that same concept, we won't win.
Absolutely.
You see what I'm saying?
Like
Because
the years you gonna take in college, to what you gonna get out of it,
to who you gonna tell that you going, all that stuff. You gonna tell all your family members and everybody whether they going or not. Because most of them ain't going, but you telling everybody. You gonna tell new people that you're meeting. You see what I'm saying? And they may come, but the school's not gonna pay you no compensation.
and you gonna be in debt after.
You're gonna be in debt. You see what I'm saying?
We gotta have a situation where whatever environment we have is business. Like, it ain't even gotta be business on a corny vibe.
We in our 20s, and we were mentored by these dudes in their 40s trying to make us act like them in their 40s.
Yeah.
Like,
It's a new day and age, bro. We can do it our way.
we get it, but we can still be us and be intelligent too. Like, we can still know the right things to spend our money on and do the right things without looking corny,
I agree.
wearing baggy suits and shit.
Boat, wow, boat. Spending racks on all these clothes, this shit don't make no sense. Spending racks on all these clothes, this shit don't make no sense. Spending racks on all these clothes, this shit don't make no sense. Spending racks on all these clothes, this shit don't make no sense. Bitch, I shot too much, so I went and bought a shopping cart. Porsche star, bitch, my pocket felt like Paul Blart. VVS is round my neck, they from.
That nigga told me he at Atlantic. I said, where y'all at? I'm at the Atlantic. No, bro, you at Atlantic Station.
That same thing.
The Atlantic is that particular building.
I'm at Atlantic. In that area.
That's not what you said. All right, so check this out. Right now we're in Atlanta. We got a meeting tonight at in South Carolina. So we about to go ahead and head out there to South Carolina and give them this work.
Yeah, with my wrist. 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 Yeah, with my wrist.
Get that vegan pizza, you know what I'm saying?
You be like, let me get that vegan pizza with extra cheese.
out here, you know, it's not all about the big meeting. Still got put in those 1-on-1, 2-on-2, 3-on-2, 1-on-2. We out here at the home event about to crush it. So let's work.
Niggas said those are free.
Nobody else get the clout, bro. Only you, for real.
Nigga, you ain't got no clout, dog. What the fuck?
You got no clout.
You been clout chasing for 5 years. You finally got a little bit, nigga. Chill.
That were your boy.
Who?
Like,
This is awkward.
Yo, hey, tell me why we just rolled by a chairman acting like he don't know us and shit.
yo, when you coming to the West Coast, nigga?
Man, I'll pull up whenever.
I see you want to be a YouTuber now, nigga. Bring in your camera, nigga.
I'm a YouTuber, dog. I'm Darwin. I'm putting in that real work, you know, cameras all day.
87% real followers. All right.
Them niggas checking your follower count.
Nigga, I just transferred 100 bands to my account the other day. I ain't take no pictures of it. You talking about cloud? I'm talking about the bank, bruh.
This nigga that look like me. Look like me.
I see y'all putting in that work though, man. I see y'all, dog. I love that shit. Y'all shining. Y'all niggas been putting work in for a long time, man. For real.
We actually just launched it. This is our very first meeting. Give it up for yourself for being here.
I like to give it back to my team first, because without them, without God, I would not be here, right? So before I even get started, I want to bring up Anthony and Manny. Can y'all come over here real quick?
If I give you guys any piece of advice, it's just to really understand, you know, what you have here. You know, I worked 5 years in roofing construction, doing, you know, roofing, and I made it to the top pay, and it took me 5 years to get to that income. If you look at the spectrum of the way that you guys can make money, right, from going all the way to the left, from working to the top of the spectrum, where you can have your money working for you. Me and my partner, we've been going to city to city to city, going everywhere, and we're making money everywhere we're going, and our life is really fueled by our desire. Where do we want to go next? And it's really become a blessing to be a blessing to help other people learn the same skill set that set us free.
Some of you I met before, right? You know my story, some of you don't. For you guys who don't, when I got in this industry, I had 2 felonies. And when I got started in this industry, I didn't know we could make this type of money. I didn't know we could make any type of money. I didn't know if it was real, I thought it was scams. But I was like, you know what, I'm down to try. Right? And that's just putting you guys in the mode I was in my mind, right? I was in a mode to get out of the situation I was in. 2012, I got into entrepreneurship. For you guys who know my story, this guy right here walked into my trap house. He had a book in his hand. He said, look, man, I don't know why, but I think this book